Hi, John Wales here. Behind me you can see there's a sign that says Calle Nicolas Debussy. The reason I'm here is because on a Saturday this place totally transforms into the outdoor market here in Orihuela Costa, Playa Flamenca, Spain. So if there's anything you like about this short video I'm going to show you that you enjoy, don't forget, hit that like button below the screen there, or better still, why not subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll get all of my up and coming videos sent straight to you in the future.
No, me queda solo ahí. Zweimal so machen. Ich geh mal rüber, ich geh mal rum.